Welcome back to the channel. If you've been subscribed to the channel, then you know that I'm a fan of roasted vegetables. They're so easy to make and can be used in a variety of ways. Today I'll be roasting carrots, chickpeas, and potatoes, and pairing it with a feta cheese and Greek yogurt dipping sauce. If this sounds like something you'd be interested in, please stay tuned. For this recipe, I'll be using 1.5 bags of baby carrots, a potato, and half a can of chickpeas, which I have washed and strained. But you can add whatever vegetables you have on hand. I find it easier to prep my vegetables in a large bowl before adding them to the baking sheet. In my opinion, this method helps to ensure your vegetables get evenly coated in your olive oil and seasoning. I'm adding about 2 tablespoons of olive oil and a generous amount of all-purpose seasoning. What I love about roasted vegetables is that you can really put anything on them and they'll taste good. I like to keep things simple, so I'm only going to be using this one seasoning today. Now I'm just going to use my hand to toss the vegetables in this olive oil and seasoning, making sure that they get evenly coated. Next, I'm adding my vegetables to a baking sheet, spreading them out so that they're not touching. I'll add a little bit more all-purpose seasoning, and then these are going to go in the oven, which I have preheated to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 25 to 30 minutes. Hey everyone, it's Janae from Janai's Kitchen. I just wanted to take a quick break to say if you're enjoying this video so far, please consider subscribing. And to all of my returning viewers, I truly appreciate all of your support along the way. All right, you guys, let's get back to the video. And that's it, you guys. Simple, crispy, and packed with flavor. I'm adding some salt and parsley and a feta cheese and yogurt dipping sauce that I made, but these vegetables are good all by themselves. Check the description for some helpful tips and leave me a comment if you make this recipe or plan to. And if you liked this video, check out this playlist right here. Bye.